Good evening. Let's make another random shit show. As you can see, the tin on my wheelbarrow is breaking up and one of the carriage bolts is missing. The other ones are still okay. It says Ford here. I think that's French for strong, but I'm not sure. It's also a tractor brand, or it used to be a tractor brand. This beautiful fender here was installed by me years ago to prevent hay from getting caught up on the axle. But I don't need to move any more hay. The cows are gone, so the fender can also go. This rivet that holds on the fender is kind of annoying because it's in the way when shoveling mud. And of course, it's turning. Just my luck. An old chisel. And of course this one isn't fitting. 6mm. That's right. And there's my beautiful fender. No longer needed. Let's hope this nut will come undone without any trouble. And of course the bolt is turning. Doesn't feel right, and it will be a nightmare to grind through these bolts. Well, I guess this is going to take a while with my Dremel, Ferm Dremel, whatever. Well, this is going to take ages, so let's try a hammer and a cold chisel. Well, it's not going to break. I'm afraid I need to do a little bit more grinding. Damn. Haha, got it. I win again. Yeah, that's a bit too tight. I better remove the wheel. God damn it! It's taking forever. And the sparks are hitting my arms. Got it. So I bought some new hardware, but I think there's too much damage on this tin to fix this with just a couple of new carriage bolts. These holes on the back here are just too big. It's also broken on both sides. I think I'm going to use new carriage bolts on the front, and I will clamp the rear with some big washers or maybe I can make something on the lathe. So I've been beating this wheelbarrow back into shape, and this is as good as I'm going to get it. I've been thinking maybe I should just weld the rear back to the frame and forget about the carriage bolts. But yeah, I don't really want to weld on this thin metal. It's a recipe for disaster. These donuts that I found might be slightly too big, and the hole is too small. So I did a little digging in my box with washers, and I found these. And I think these are from car struts. The holes are slightly too small, but it's mild steel, so I think the carriage bolts will, well, I think I can force them to fit. I might have to remove a little metal over here, because the hole doesn't really line up with the hole in the frame. Anyway, I'll put this back together now. Alright, these washers are just too fat, too thick, so I'm not going to be able to pull this carriage bolt through this washer. So I'm going to bore it out just slightly. That's probably enough. Let's fit this together. A little bit of sealant left over from fixing a leaking roof last winter. Not sure if it is going to help. It's probably going to make a mess. But like I said, it's left over, and it might prevent rattling. Oh damn, now I'm going to get a dirty bolt. Ah well, my mistake. Perhaps that dirty bolt is a good thing, because I do not have any nylock nuts. Okay, next I'm going to get dirty tools. Oh, there she goes. Beautiful. I like it. Sorry. Well, I'm reasonably happy with the result. It feels a lot more solid. Maybe tomorrow I'll do some gardening when it's no longer raining. They say it's very therapeutic. For now, I'm going to clean my tools. Anyway, that's it for me. Like, subscribe, yada yada yada, and to be continued. So, now I'm really done. Of course, I could also fix this this damage here, but I don't feel like welding today. Oh, I also sealed the front carriage bolts because of not having any nylock nuts, and this also looks better. It satisfies my OCB.